Okay.
Okay, go na, go.
Go na.
The boy who cried wolf. Once there was a shepherd boy who had to look after a flock of sheep. One day, he felt bored and decided to play a trick on the villagers. He shouted, "Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf!" The villagers heard his cries and rushed out the village to help the shepherd boy. "Where is the wolf?" asked the villagers. The shepherd boy laughed loudly. "Ha ha ha ha! I fooled all of you. I was only playing a trick on you." A few days later, the shepherd boy played this trick again. Again, the villagers rushed up the hill to help him. And again, they found that boy tricked them. They were very angry with him for being so naughty. Next day, when his flock of sheep were grazing, he suddenly saw a wolf. "Help! Help! Wolf! Help! Somebody!" The shepherd boy cried. The villagers heard his cries, but they laughed because they thought it was another trick. The shepherd boy returned